Okay guys, in this tutorial we will learn about how to find the difference between the adjacent element within any matrix inside the matlab. As we know that if a matrix is small, like x is equal to 1, 4, 6, 12 and 7, so we can easily find the difference between its elements, just like difference between 1 and 4, or 4 and 1, 6 and 4, and 7 and 12, and like this. But if matrix is too much large or complicated, then we need to apply a command that is called as diff. Actually it is for difference, or you can say that it is for differentiation. Obviously, uh, no, it's for difference, not for differentiation, because differentiation is something else. So it is for difference between the adjacent elements. So just enter it, and we got 4 minus 1 3, 6 minus 4 2, 12 minus 6 6, and 7 minus 12 minus 5. So in this way you can find the difference between the adjacent elements. So hopefully you got the concept. Thanks for watching.